Ebi byona bikorerwa ha mbuga nkuru za Kamwenge Town Council kandi kurugera ha mugamirizi w'amahe habwe cyanga cya Rwenzori nashobora hari bimwe batandika nabyo.
The road run is done, we test the body fitness, the preliminary medical examination where the doctors observe the physical turn up of the individual, which rolls them into the road test. We are done with that, and now we are in a thorough detailed medical examination.
Kurigera habana nshanju na mushanju abayihandikize kutaho mu mahe mu district ya Kamwenge kagana bashatu bonka no barebukira hakubuzibwa kandi abana na mwenda bayihandikise muri Kitagwenda anana bana no basize kurebukaho
bambayinze okubanga balina empapula njingirire nga balabinga babakwata bannabwe mu bitundu ebirala ku TV ne ku radio nga bawulira ne bagamba nti tujja kujja obuuli awo tusubira nti ensonga esinga okuba ensonga enene abalabadde bannabwe nga bajjamu olw'ebyobulamu on medical ground mu areas endala
okushoma nokukoma hari senior 4 okuza mu high school na tertiary institutions nokurunda emirumu konko okushoma the gist okukoma hari senior yakati now kutukuba tuyina amahaga the rifleman ashomere tuba tushemere
aba ubwo hatene baza kutwara okutendekwa kandi hona behanangirizibwa kugira emico mirungi obwe baba nebenda kuhangarira mu mahe gasha kwa Anthony Twine.